Feeling overwhelmed by the prospect of affording health care in Illinois? This video will break down the Medicaid application process into simple, actionable steps so you can secure the coverage you need. First, let's check your eligibility in Illinois. Medicaid eligibility depends on your income, household size, and certain other factors like age, disability status. And if you are pregnant, visit the official Illinois Department of Healthcare and Family Services website, linked in the description below, to see the specific income thresholds for your situation. Generally, income limits are based on the federal poverty level, but it's best to consult the official guidelines. Next, gather your required documents. You'll typically need your Social Security card, proof of income such as recent pay stubs or tax returns, proof of Illinois residency like a utility bill or lease agreement, and a photo ID such as a driver's license or state issued ID. Now, for the application itself, you have several options online through the Illinois.gov website, by mail, or in person at a local Department of Human Services office. Applying online is often the fastest. The application will ask for personal information, income details, household information, and details about your current health insurance, if any. Be honest and accurate with your answers. Once you submit your application, keep an eye out for correspondence from the Illinois Department of Healthcare and Family Services. They may request additional information or documentation. Respond promptly to avoid delays in processing your application. Once approved, you'll receive your Medicaid card. This card grants you access to a range of healthcare services, including doctor visits, hospital care, prescription medications, and more. Remember to keep your card safe and bring it with you to all your medical appointments. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the Illinois Medicaid system.